Hey guys, so this is already my third Ultrahuman Ring Air review. And yes, the Ultrahuman team sent me this ring, but you know how it is on this channel. My review is 100% honest, no sugarcoating. And because I've been using this ring for a long time, they gave me a big discount, up to 25%. My referral link is down in the description, but first guys, watch this video because today I'll tell you the real truth about this ring after long-term use. So I made a couple of videos before this one, and under those videos I kept seeing comments like, this ring dies after a couple of months, and yeah, my ring also started to behave really badly after about half a year. It wasn't just comments under my videos, I found more people online saying the same thing. In my case, the battery started draining in 1.5 days instead of 5, and that's really annoying. And because of that, I actually stopped using it for a while. But I want to tell you two important things. First, if this happens to you, it's easy to replace. You just open the app, go to Ring Self Troubleshooting, start a diagnostic and order a new ring straight from there. No emails, no stress. And this is very important. The Ultrahuman team actually rebuilt the internals of the ring. They redesigned it because they knew the old version had problems. Not only us users were annoyed, the Ultrahuman team was annoyed too. Check this out. Here's the old ring and here is the new one. You can literally see that the internals are different. They didn't lie to me, they really rebuilt it from inside. And now they're promising that the new version will be much more reliable and battery will last longer. We will see. And honestly, that's good, really good. And what I can say is that the battery life is definitely better now. In my case, it lasts up to 7 days, which is a really good improvement compared to the older version. The older one was approximately 5. What I also noticed is that the Ultrahuman app became more interactive. A lot of things changed and a lot of new features were added. One of the added features is Ultra Age. It shows you the consequences of your habits. For example, I know that I'm not resting the way I should and I'm not sleeping enough. And this graph literally shows me that because of my sleep debt, I'm basically aging faster. It's a nice little slap in the face, but in a good way. All my sleep snapshots and all the heart parameters, HRV, VO2 max, resting heart rate, everything is inside the app. It feels like a real health dashboard. And the best part, there is still no subscriptions for any of this. Every other competitor in this space is charging monthly. But this ring, you buy it once, that's it. Yes, inside the app they also advertise their other products like the real-time glucose monitor or the blood vision membership for analyzing your blood biomarkers. It's actually pretty interesting stuff, but I didn't try it for now, so I cannot say anything about it. And one more thing, in the app you can still find professional workouts. Pilates, strength training, yoga, all the stuff you might want to add to your routine. So it's not just a sleep and recovery app, it's a health and training platform. Now let's talk about some more good and bad things you get with this ring. As I said earlier, this ring was updated or basically rebuilt, so it should be much more reliable now. It analyzes your health in the background and all you have to do is just to wear it. I wear mine on my right hand ring finger and honestly most of the time I don't even feel it. But there are two situations where I really feel this ring and both are a bit annoying. First, when I write something with a pen or pencil, the ring hits my other fingers and it just feels uncomfortable. Sometimes I even take it off when I'm writing. Second, when I shake someone's hand, the ring presses between my fingers and it's not the best feeling. So yeah, sometimes I take it off even before a handshake too. And one more thing, this ring is not good for workout tracking. Just look at this video. I'm measuring my heart rate with the Apple Watch and this ring. And the heart rate is showing something strange, completely different from Apple Watch, which is much more accurate during activity. But for sleep, the ring is actually really good. It measures sleep like most wearables, but it also shows time in bed, which is a very important metric for me. And I'd say this ring tracks sleep better than my Garmin Fenix 8. Steps, let's talk about them. I want to talk about steps separately because a couple of days ago I did a crazy experiment. I walked 100,000 steps in one day. Yeah guys, don't call me crazy please. The results were Ultrahuman Ring Air 91, it 870. So the ring is very conservative with steps. It shows less steps than you actually walk. Keep that in mind. In reality, you walk more than the ring shows. And one more practical thing, if you want to buy this ring, I definitely recommend titanium or matte black. And I'm not sure about the new brushed rose gold. These two, the titanium and black, are the most practical and durable finishes. Do not choose the shiny colors like bionic gold, aster black or space silver. They will scratch and lose their shine in a couple of months, that's for sure. And just look at this. It's scratched as hell. And if you want to get this ring, don't forget to use my link in the description. You can get up to 25% discount. I wish you good luck in everything what you're doing. Have a great day. Stay healthy.